I'd like to give you a demo of my COMX-35 floppy disk controller. I'm using standard 3 1/4 floppies that are high density, and I'm using a grease weasel to image floppy images from Emma, the emulator for COMX-35, onto these floppies using the flux data. Now I can give you a demo of it loading my Tetris clone that I've made. First we'll do a DOS cat, which will list the contents of the floppy. And then we'll do DOS run and type in Tetris. Now it'll begin loading. As it loads, you'll see this LED alternate between on and off, and that's the side that it's accessing on the floppy disk. And now it's done loading. And this is a fully working Tetris clone that I made for the COMX-35. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my demo of my floppy drive controller.